is if you just started trading or still struggling trying to make profit from the market, then this video is for you. So do well to watch to the end. I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple scalping strategy that anyone can understand. Very simple to understand. Now, first of all, you're going to be dealing with the 5 minutes time frame because it's a scalping strategy. You can also do this on a bigger time frame, that is if you want to swing with it, but for this video I'm talking about scalping for the smaller time frames. Okay, so now this is how you can get this result. This is how you can trade. This is how you can flip small accounts to bigger profits, like what I have here. So right now, without further ado, let me dive right into it. So right now, like I said, you're going to be doing this on the 5 minutes time frame, or you could do this on the 1 minute time frame. You could also do this on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is, for the time frame of the trend you are in, looking at where I'm using right now, I'm using the 5 minutes time frame, and so on this 5 minutes right now, we're going to be identifying the trend, and the trend we can see right here is a brief upward movement. The last low was here, and we began to have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Now take note, price breaks out of 200 prominently, and the next thing you're going to be looking for is a retest of that 200 moving average. The blue moving average here is the 200 moving average, right? So you're looking out for price breaking out of that 200. Now this is for a buy trade. This is a buy trade. Price has to come back and retest that 200 moving average, and when price comes back to retest the 200 moving average, the next thing you are looking out for is a cross on the MACD right here, a cross right here to confirm that this market is still on a buy trend. The next is the third thing you're going to be looking out for is a rejection of price around the 200 moving average, and then once price gets rejected right there, you take your buy trades and target maybe 1:1 ratio or 1:2 ratio. Now this is for the buy example. Now let's see the sell example of this. So for the sell example, the conditions remain the same. Having seen that price has just started the lower low, the lower high, boom, price breaks below the 200 moving average. This is the 200 moving average, just like it was in the buy scenario. Price breaks the 200 moving average and gets back to retest. Always wait for the retest of 200 and also come to the MACD to confirm that MACD had crossed also for a sell. This is where you want to put your money, right at the close of your entry. Wait for price action as well. By now you should understand price action. You should understand candlestick formations. Look for an engulfing, probably look for an engulfing candle. You could look for any other bearish candle that suggests a sell trade, and then you take this trade downwards, and this is where your stop loss is going to be, slightly above your entry levels. That's going to be your stop loss. Your take profit should be either a 1:1 ratio, or maybe your maybe at this right here, or you could just place, since it's the 5 minutes, you could just place a reasonable distance, okay, away from your entry. Thank you very much, guys, for sticking around. Subscribe for more updates, and see you in my next video. Bye.